If everything is atom, thoughts are atoms. When the universe was examined in depth, it was discovered that the basic building blocks were composed of atoms. Atoms are the smallest units of matter and are the fundamental particles that make up everything in the universe. However, it would be misleading to think that only physical objects are made up of atoms, because thoughts are also made up of atoms as abstract concepts. Many scientists and philosophers argue that thoughts are also made up of atoms. Thoughts are associated with electrical and chemical processes that occur in our brain. Nerve cells or neurons in the brain process information and communicate by carrying electrical signals. These neural activities occur through interactions of atoms at the molecular level and energy flow. Atoms basically represent the relationship between energy and matter. Atoms come together in different combinations and arrangements to form molecules, cells, organs, and eventually all living things. Similarly, thoughts arise from the interactions of atoms in the brain and the arrangement of neural networks. Accepting that thoughts are made of atoms does not change the fact that thoughts are an intangible entity. Atoms provide the bridge between energy and matter, showing that thoughts have a physical basis. Our thoughts are a product of the interactions and neural connections of atoms in the brain. Through these interactions, mental processes occur, memories are formed, ideas are formed, and consciousness is experienced. The idea that thoughts are made of atoms is also related to the nature of human consciousness. Consciousness is a product of the complex interactions of atoms in the brain and influences our thought processes. Our thoughts arise from interactions of neurotransmitters and electrical signals at the atomic level. Recognizing that thoughts are made of atoms opens a window into the depths of human experience. While the interactions between atoms in the brain affect the formation of thoughts, thoughts themselves can be perceived as an abstract entity. Our thoughts contain a set of abstract concepts that include our emotions, imagination, beliefs, and creativity. These abstract concepts arise through interactions at the atomic level, but they are not limited to just tangible entities. The fact that thoughts are associated with atoms helps us understand the complexity and potential of the human mind. The arrangement and interaction of atoms provides an endless variety and richness of thoughts. Our thoughts contribute to the birth of innovative ideas, the creation of works of art, scientific discoveries, and humanity's efforts to make sense of the universe. In conclusion, the statement "if everything is atom, thoughts are atoms" emphasizes that thoughts are based on a material basis and emerge through the interaction of atoms in the brain. While atoms represent a fundamental link between energy and matter, our thoughts are also a product of atomic interactions in the brain. However, thoughts go beyond just being a material process and are perceived as an abstract entity as well. The arrangement and interaction of atoms reveals the diversity, depth, and potential of thoughts. This perspective helps us better understand the complexity of the human mind, the structure of the universe, and the universality of thoughts.